If you've ever felt stressed, distracted, or overwhelmed, mindfulness can help you find calm in just a few minutes a day. You don't need any experience, special equipment, or lots of time. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple 5-minute practice anyone can do. Mindfulness is simply paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Your mind will wander. That's normal. The practice is gently bringing it back. Let's begin. Sit comfortably with your feet on the floor, shoulders relaxed, and eyes softly closed or gazing downward. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Bring your attention to your body, your shoulders, your hands, your legs. No need to change anything, just notice. Return to the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And when your mind wanders, simply return to the breath. Take one final deep breath in. And exhale slowly. Gently open your eyes and notice how you feel. That's it, just 5 minutes of mindfulness. Practicing daily, even this short routine, can reduce stress and bring more calm into your life. If you found this helpful, Subscribe for more simple mindfulness practices you can do anytime